We all need a good night's sleep, but unfortunately for a lot of people, it doesn't happen. Snoring is a very common problem that disturbs many of us every night. In fact, experts estimate that there's approximately 15 million snorers in the UK alone, and most also suffer from related health problems. So, what makes us snore? The biggest factor in snoring is the vibrations of the soft palate at the back of the throat, restricting your airways when you sleep. The vibrating palate creates a sound which we all know as snoring.